Digging, guys. Monster. 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 Unreal. Oh no, oh no. Look at my beautiful, messy, crusty John boat. Fish catching machine. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. I'm taking the John boat out today. Going after bass. I messed around with some crappie and some panfish and stuff, but pretty much gonna be targeting bass. It is November 29th, so it's cold. It's about 34 degrees today. Water should be right around like 41, 42 degrees. I usually do pretty good this time of year. You just gotta grind it out. So that's the plan. Gonna head out, see what we can get. Before you guys start pulling up the comments asking what happened to my nose. Look at that. It's pretty good, huh? Split open. No, I didn't get into a fight. I definitely look like I used to back in my fighting days, but no, I did not get into a fight. I actually got hit right across the bridge of the nose with a phone, and it just like exploded. Like just nice X like cut right there. Just like pretty much exploded the skin right across the bridge of my nose. It was a complete accident. I asked my fiance to get my phone, and I didn't realize she was going to throw it, and she tried to like toss it on the couch. She did throw it pretty hard. I don't think she was trying to hit me on purpose, but yeah, she did throw it pretty hard. And when I turned around, because I didn't know if she was going to bring me my phone or not, when I turned around, it just smacked me right across the bridge of the nose. So moral of the story, I need to go get my own damn phone and not ask her to get it for me. But yeah, pretty unfortunate. It's going to heal. I'm probably going to have a scar for a while. Whatever. I've already broke my nose probably 3 or 4 times before from actual fights, so I'm used to it. Just seems pretty silly that it's from a phone and I got smashed in the face with a phone. It's really not that cool of a story, but yeah, we're gonna get after it, so stay tuned. It's about 33 degrees right now. Pretty cold. Let's see if we can catch some winter bass and some winter crappie. That's the plan. Hopefully get the motor started up. It's pretty cold. Alright guys, well, it took a while, but she started. Tell you what, man, ever since I had this thing serviced, it's been a bitch to get started. Alright guys, we're gonna try some Ned rigs first. Fish about 15 foot near the bank, and if we can't find anything, we're gonna get a little deeper. I did mark some stuff out deeper. They're probably crappie though. We'll just see what happens. It's really windy, a lot windier than I thought it was going to be. There we go, guys. Finally got something. A little bluegill. I don't have any cat bait right now, so I think I'm going to save this guy for cat bait. There'll be a lot more down there, so we're going to keep tossing down there. See how many of these we can get. If I can keep a couple of them, I'll have some cat bait. Not a bad little bluegill there, actually. It's a pretty good size one. Just got a little night crawler on a jig. That's all I'm doing right now. It's slow. Crappie aren't where I thought they'd be. So I'm kind of just messing around right now, just seeing what's going on. Oh, guys, we got a little bass. I wasn't expecting that. The old night crawler. Okay, well. That's cool. Wasn't expecting it. But I'll take it. It's just a little dude, but hey. Oh yeah. There's bass fish this whole bank. You know, just throwing the Ned rig. Not even fishing out deep. Couldn't find or mark any, but that guy was little, so he wasn't gonna really mark anyway. But yeah, I'm not mad about that. Boy, it is just cold and windy and miserable out here. Wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't so windy. It's about 35 degrees now, but it is just, the wind is just howling. Digging, guys. Monster. 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 Unreal. Oh no, oh no. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. Oh shit. Come on. Get in the net. There we go. Let's go. That is unreal. Been out here grinding it out, guys. Grinding it out. Knowing there's just gonna be too many bites. Hoping one of them is gonna be big. Because in the winter, you don't get a lot of bites. But usually the ones you do tend to be pretty big fish. Let's go. Wow, she had me wrapped around one of the rod holders there for a second. Almost lost her. Anchor here. That was intense. Look at that bucket mouth. All I was doing, guys, was a little Ned rig. Little swim bait on the Ned rig. Being real slow. That is a good fish. Popped right off a log over there and came off the log. And bam. Look at that, guys. How cool is that? Got that black spots on her. Let's go. Let's see what she weighs. Whoa. Oh, my scale's messing up. Oh my god, this scale's shit. Well, guys, scale's not working. Battery's about dead in it. Get her some water so I can get the cameras ready. Scale's not working, but it's easy, 4 pounds. Left that scale out, and it got cold. I've been having problems with that scale ever since I bought it, though. We'll give her some water, and we'll see how long she is. I'll get the camera set up and all that good stuff. Probably gonna be close to 20 inches if she's not. Look at that pretty bass. Pretty, chunky, fat winter bass. Let's see how long she is real quick. Almost 20, actually. 19. That's the tail. Pinch the tail, she gets right at 20. About 19 and a half, 20 inches. That's at least a 4-pounder. Really need to get my scale fixed. It's getting irritating. Get her some water again so I can get the camera set up. Alright guys, there she is. Solid fish. Probably about 4 pounds. I will take it. Down here grinding. Check out the black spots on her tail. I don't know why these bass only get that this time of year. Pretty crazy. That's a good fish right there. Let's go. Love it. Look at that mouth. Love it. Hell yeah. Been putting her back in the water a lot. Keep her good. Gonna get a few more shots and we're gonna let her go. Yes. Alright guys, we're gonna let her go. Poor girl. Beautiful fish. That was pretty dang cool. That was pretty wild. I had almost given up because it is freaking cold out here. I finally found a cove that's out away from the serious wind, and you know, my toes are getting numb, hands are getting a little cold, which my hands like never get cold, but the wind gets to me. And I was about to give up, but I was just like, man, some of them deeper laydowns over there, bet you there's some fish on the outer edge of them. And sure enough, about 16, 17 feet of water. I was popping that over some branches that were probably 10, 11 feet down. I felt it just pop right off. And as soon as it did, I just felt something grab it. Set the hook. Beautiful 20-inch, 4-pound largemouth. Gotta love it. Been out here grinding. It's practically December. It's cold. These bass gotta eat though. If you can get your bait in front of them, you get a good chance of catching a big bass this time of year. Fishing different than I was. I should have been fishing like this the whole day, I guess. I was kind of trying to find them super deep. Instead, they're in like 16, 17 foot, it seems like. I gotta get a different scale. I mean, this scale's new. It's just been acting up ever since I got it. And then, like, I guess because I've been leaving it outside in the boat, the batteries are too cold or whatever. But yeah, guys, just a Ned head and a little swim bait. That's what I did, man. She straightened that hook out. I almost lost that fish. The line got wrapped around one of these rod holders back here. It's the first time it's ever happened. That would have been awful. Been putting some big fish in the old John lately. Thank God for spot lock, because it makes hectic stuff like that a lot less hectic. Wow, guys, I was looking at the footage of the last one. I just got another one. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm gonna try and boat flip. Oh my gosh, bigger than I thought. What is going on, guys? Wow. Okay. Well, we're on to something. Oh, man. I was not expecting. I was literally just thinking. I'm watching the footage from the other fish, and I was literally just thinking, like, I'm probably gonna get bit. And sure enough, he just got bit again. That one was shallow. That one was like weirdly shallow. I don't know what's going on. The water's like 39 degrees. That's a nice fish right there too. I mean, definitely not like that last one, but that ain't bad at all. Wild. There, bud. Okay, well, things went from slow to interesting pretty dang fast. Oh, I just had another one. I just had a freaking other one. What is going on? What is going on? Wow, guys. Should just keep the camera on. I keep thinking I'm gonna go in. I get another hit. This guy right here's little. There's fish in this cove though. How bad he wanted that. Unreal. Water's cold as hell. These fish are chewing over here. It's weird. This lake, you can't catch them. You gotta find where they are. When you find them, you know, you do well this time of year. But it's weird because you can go to another spot on the lake that looks identical and they're just not there. You know, exact same depth, everything. And they just won't be there. It's really weird. And it's not the same spot every year. I think we're gonna call it a day. I like when she starts that first pool like that. Alright guys, well I'm gonna call it a day. Only out here for a few hours. Was pretty slow. Got some good bites though, managed to get it done. It's fun catching fish that size any time of year, but it's just super rewarding when it's cold like this and the water's like in the low 40s, upper 30s. Made my day for sure. That fish made my day. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.